Hi crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basic How-Tos. Today we're going to talk about the settings button, which is located right here on the Cricut expression. After you press the setting button, this menu comes up on the screen. You can change the default of your mat size from 12 by 12 to 12 by 24. On this machine you would use the arrows. Say OK. You can display the characters or not. I'm going to have them display as I want to make sure I'm cutting the right thing. I went back to the language. Turn this off. You press the setting button again. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at salehandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.